Hey guys, Matt with CJ Off-Road here. Today, I've got someone special. I got Joe from Under the Sun Inserts here with his brand new JL Wrangler. And Joe, we're in here to do a ton of modifications to it.
Absolutely, we're looking forward to it.
So we got a ton of parts here. I mean, we got 37s, brand new lift kit. Looks like we got a fridge freezer. This thing's gonna be a completely new beast when we're done with it.
Absolutely, looking forward to it. Looking forward to the tires and the fridge and everything here. Absolutely.
What are you most excited for? What's probably the biggest piece that you're excited to see your Jeep done?
Definitely the lift and tires. Absolutely.
Yeah, that's one thing that completely changes it.
I've been stocked for too long.
Yeah, but anyways, so you're from Under the Sun Inserts, so I know what you guys do. But do you want to tell our viewers a little bit about what you guys do, what you make?
Absolutely, we make custom grill inserts for JKs, JLs, and now the new JT. It's a good way to protect the front end of your Jeep, and it's a low-cost modification for anybody to do.
So you guys make a bunch of different designs. So if I like a flag, like an American flag, there's a bunch of different things I can pick from.
American flags, we have over 300 designs. American flags are our best sellers. Plus we do a lot of custom work too. So if you have a specific image you'd like, we could do that for you.
That's awesome. Well, I'm really excited to get all these parts on. Obviously you brought a custom grill insert to put on the Jeep when it's done. So
absolutely.
That'll be the last touch, but I think right now we ought to probably get going because we've got a lot of parts here and only a couple days to do it. So what do you say we get started?
Let's do it.
Okay guys, first thing we're gonna do, obviously take the wheels and tires off, and we're gonna install the TeraFlex ST3 lift kit that comes with a Falcon 3.3 shocks or whatever Falcon shocks you'd like. It's available here at CJ's. This will be the third lift like this, the exact same kit. I absolutely love them. They're gonna make it ride awesome. Plus on this Rubicon, you gotta go with some of the best parts if you spent that much on a Jeep. Let's ditch all this. This isn't gonna be a full in-depth install. We have an in-depth install. We'll drop a link below. Click on that, show you guys how to install the whole kit on your Jeep, but let's get started. Well, we're just about to drop this thing down and start throwing some new parts at it. Just about everything is disconnected. Brendan's got, I think, just a couple more things. Got to make sure we get these lines detached here, but that's about it. Okay guys, so here are the Falcon 3.3 shocks. Absolutely love these things. I have them on my Jeep. Completely adjustable, ready to go. Gorgeous. TeraFlex and Falcon really hooked it up with this kit. Completely adjustable right there too. Brendan's gonna show you. We're gonna get them on the Jeep. The packaging on these two are incredible. You actually have to pull these off just to cover up the logo so they don't get damaged. So let's get them on the Jeep. So now it's time to install the Falcon 3.3 shocks. They are adjustable. It's one of my favorite things about here. So actually when you put it in number 2, and you can adjust this inside here to soft and firm. These are really great shocks. I love the adjustability. Plus they just look absolutely gorgeous. Come with a 3/4 inch shaft in there, full reservoir. So let's get them installed. Going up. All right guys, so now what we're gonna do, we just wrapped up the lift kit. We're gonna install a worn winch in the front bumper. Now we got the bracket, all the plates and everything. It's gonna look great in the front bumper. Let's get that done now. So right now we are adding on the Mopar tailgate reinforcement kit. That involves removing all this, putting on a stronger bracket, as well as a plate over there. So it's pretty easy and straightforward. You just gotta know what you're doing and you can get it all ripped apart. One thing that Joe wanted was the ARB fridge freezer as well as the slide. Now I had Brendan think about this a little bit, and he was actually able to mount it on the rear cargo section to be able to completely remove it when need be, but also give it a nice secure location without designing any other bracketry. We got it to work and be able to plug right into that 12-volt outlet, so I'm super happy with that. All right, Joe, so it's a couple days later. We're out here at the Bantam Jeep Heritage Festival. What do you think of your Jeep? It's all completely done. We had to burn a little bit of midnight oil, but it's over now.
Super happy with the way it came out. I love everything on it, all quality parts. I really love the way it came.
Yeah, absolutely. Like, you know, this thing is kind of a mix between like a rock crawler, but it still has everything like the factory Rubicon came with. So it's got, you know, the body matched everything on it. So I think it looks really killer with the 37s, the Falcon lift on there. The shocks look absolutely killer.
I agree. It rides better than stock.
So does it ride pretty good? You had a chance to drive it here and tow a trailer and everything. How does it ride?
Perfect. I mean, I love it any better.
All right, guys, well, that's a wrap. Now, if you want to check out any of the products we installed onto this Jeep, as well as many other great parts, including under the sun inserts for your JK, JL, and Gladiator, be sure to visit us at cjponyparts.com.